Hello friends, welcome to Aditya Higher Mathematics. In this video I will say a shortcut method to find the rank of matrices. So now I will discuss the topic. Actually this rank of matrix topic is very important for all types of entrances, whether you are giving JEE Main or Advanced, CSAT, NET, CAT, IIT JAM, BHU and also OPC, UPC examinations. And in this video I will cover rank of both square and non-square matrices and watch full video for shortcut method. First I will say the shortcut method, next we will solve some examples. Actually a number R is said to be rank of a matrix A if it possesses the following two properties. That means we will say one number R is rank of matrix. Then what are the properties? The determinant of at least one minor of order R is non-zero. That means if you are saying rank is R, then order R determinant must be non-zero. And the second point is the determinant of every minor of A of order higher than R is 0. That means if you are getting one minor greater than R, its order, then its value is 0. In other words, we can say the rank of a matrix A is said to be R if there is at least one square submatrix. That means the minor I am here representing by submatrix. Minor means you will confuse, but submatrix you can understand easily. If there is matrix, if there are some submatrices, if its order is R and which is non-singular. Non-singular means determinant is not equal to 0. Every square submatrix of A of order higher than R is singular. That means determinant A is 0. The same thing only I am representing here by submatrix and the concepts of non-singular and singular. Now we will solve some questions for your better understanding. You can see here one question is given. Find the rank of matrix 2 minus 1 minus 4 2. It is square matrix I am solving. Next I will solve some rectangle matrices which are non-square. And what is that matrix given? You first find its determinant. It is order 2 given, so determinant means order 2 minor we are finding. You can see its value is 0. 2 to 4 minus plus 4, so its value is 0. Since its value is 4, that means its rank must be less than 2. It cannot be 2 because it is 0. Since its rank is less than 2, it may be 0 or may be 1, but remember that rank is 0 if it is a 0 matrix. But it is not a 0 matrix, so obviously its rank is 1. And we can say directly also, since you are getting 4 elements, all 4 elements are non-zero and each element represents a 1 by 1 minor. If you are getting such type of 1 minor, then its value is non-zero, then its rank is 1. So I am taking 2 which is non-zero and it is order 1 minor, so we can write rank of A is 1. Understood? Next we will solve some more questions for your better understanding. Here you see another question. Here also we will find determinant first to check whether its rank, and since it is 2 by 2, so its rank is always less than or equal to 2. That means maybe 0 or 1 or 2. Understood? Rank is always natural whole numbers. It may be 0, 1, 2, but remember 0 if it is only 0 matrix. Here in that note I have written rank of only 0 matrix is 0. But since it is a non-zero matrix, so its rank is either 1 or 2. So first you find its determinant. If its determinant is non-zero, determinant means order 2 minor or order 2 submatrix, then its rank is 2. Otherwise its rank is 1. So I am finding determinant. 3 minus 2 is minus 6. So we are getting non-zero. Since it's non-zero and we are finding order 2, determinant means order 2 minor or order 2 submatrix. So rank of A is 2. Next another 3 by 3 matrix I am taking. Here A you can see one matrix given which is also square matrix, and watch its solution. Next problem I will take one rectangular matrix. So for your better understanding, watch all square and rectangle matrix. Here you can see it is a 3 by 3 matrix given, so that its highest order is 3. So we will find first its determinant, and I hope all of you understand the way to find determinant. Otherwise you watch my previous videos. 1, just you have to take expanding along first row, 1, then it is 21 minus 20 minus 2, you see 14 minus 12, then plus 3, 10 minus 9. So finally it is coming 1 minus 4 plus 3. That means 1 minus 4 plus 3, its value is 0. Since order 3 value is 0, so rank we can say either less than or equal to 2. Then we will check whether we are getting one order 2 or not. Now for second order minor, you have to check 1, 2, 2, 3. So we are getting, I am taking one submatrix. So 3 minus 4, its value is minus 1, which is not 0. So rank of given matrix is 2. So first we are finding order 3, we are getting 0. Then we are taking one order 2. Since order 2 value is non-zero, so its given rank is 2. Now see another question. Here you can see it is a 3 by 4 matrix given. Then we have to take the lowest one. Since it is 3 cross 4, its lowest value is 3 out of row or column. That means here you have to understand rank is less than or equal to 3. Which is the lowest one, then rank of that matrix is either that number, lowest one, or it's less than that number. So its rank may be 1, 2, 3. First we will check one 3 cross 3 minor. You see one column is given 0. So if I include this column with other two columns, then obviously its value is 0. So excluding that column, I am checking only this. Then we can observe 410, 301, 602. So we are getting, you see I am expanding along second column. So now it is minus 1 and excluding its row column 3, 1, 6, 2. So now it is coming 6 minus 6, which is 0. That means all third order minors are 0 because I have got its value 0. That means if I include the third column with the other two, then obviously its value is 0. So we have concluded that its third order minor value is 0. So that its rank is either 1 or 2. Now we will check one order 2 minor. I am taking 4130. Any order 2 minor you can take here. 4130 I am taking. Not only 4130, you can take 1001, any order 2. Now it is 0 minus 3. So we are getting minus 3, which is non-zero. So rank of the given matrix is 2. Here order 3 we are getting 0. So order 2 we are getting non-zero. So rank is 2. That means option C is correct. Next you see another objective question I am solving. Here one A matrix given, it is 3 by 3 matrix. Then what is the rank? Here also 4 options given, it is objective question. Since its order is 3 by 3, so you can say that rank is either 3 or less than 3. So its rank is 3 if you are getting determinant is non-zero. So first we will find its determinant. Now you can see I am taking 2 common from first column. So it is 1, 2, minus 3. Then I am taking common 5 from third column, 1, 2, minus 3. Since 2 columns are similar, so its value must be 0. This is the properties of determinant, so we are getting 0. Now we conclude that its rank is not equal to 3. It may be 1 or 2. So to confirm its rank is 2, we have to find one non-zero order 2 submatrix. But here all order 2 submatrix values are 0 because 2, 8, 16 minus 16, 0. Similarly, you can find 40 minus 40, 0. Minus 48, here also plus 48, it is 0. Similarly, you can check. You are getting all order 2 minors also 0. Even all order 3 minor 0 and order 2 minor is also 0. That means its rank is 1 because it is not a 0 matrix. So rank of A is 1 as it is not a 0 matrix. I told that when it is 0 matrix, then only its rank we can say 0. Since it is non-zero matrix, Here you are getting order 3 minor is 0. All order 2 minors are 0. So total you will get here many order 2 minors. But since I am getting the trend is 0, you can check all order 2 minors are 0, so that its rank is 1. That means option B is correct. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and comment, share. Thank you friends.